Welcome to our channel, $1,000,000 Made Easy. This is a channel where we create spreadsheets to run numbers for you to kind of show you where you might be in the future. This video, I want to really key on mortgages. Here's one of the spreadsheets we like to use. Let's say, for example, you're going to buy a new house and you need $400,000 and you calculate it at a 7% interest rate. Your payment's going to be $26.61. Now, here's what the amazing thing is how much do you think you end up paying if you do that for the whole 30 years? We're looking at a 30-year mortgage. If you look at the numbers you'd actually be paying out, there'd be 360 payments left, 30 years. Total interest on this 400,000 is 558,000. So you're going to end up paying a total of almost $1,000,000 for this $400,000 loan. But watch what happens. You make one small little difference. Let's just say you make $100 extra. So instead of paying this for your calculated payment, you're going to pay this $27.61, which is $100 more. All of a sudden, instead of having 360 payments left, you only have 320. You've saved almost 40 payments. How much does that amount to for interest? Interest saved is $72,859. Watch what happens if you throw in one extra payment. Say you get a tax refund of $1,000. You throw that in. All of a sudden, you saved an extra $6,428 on this one-time payment. So $100 extra a month, that one-time extra payment, you've all of a sudden saved almost $80,000. Now, if you would like to have this spreadsheet, because I love to have people run these numbers, all you do is enter in these yellow boxes here that your actual numbers. It'll kick out all these different numbers. Say, for example, you just wanted to pay $3,000 a month. Watch the difference that can make. We're going to eliminate this extra payment. What have you actually saved? By paying $338 extra a month, you save $182,000. That's the kind of numbers you can look at. You can change any of these different numbers. Obviously, your mortgage is going to be different depending on all these different variables. But that's what we can do on this channel is set up spreadsheets to show you things like this. Now, if you want this spreadsheet, you can make it yourself. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually show you the formulas that are behind this because these are all formulas. And if you check out all these formulas, you'll enter them, you'll be able to set up this spreadsheet and make it for yourself. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. These are the actual payments. These are actual formulas that result in the answers that you need. You need to take a screenshot of each one of these, copy these formulas exactly as they are, exactly in the same cells. Like this has to be in cell B2, this has to be in cell B6, and so on. Let's go ahead and continue over here showing you some of the rest of the formulas. Again, these are all formulas. If you copy them exactly in the same places with the same information right here, you can kick this out and it'll show you exactly what you need to know. So again, let's go ahead and go back to the regular results of this. And you can type in any numbers in the yellow. You need to highlight these in the yellow when you're making your spreadsheets, and it'll change any of these that you need to change. If you want to pay $2,800 a month, that would be an extra $138.79. You would save almost $100,000 in interest just making that small amount change from this amount to this amount. And again, we could change any of these numbers. But if you would like to have this, go ahead and take the screenshots of the formulas I just showed you, enter it in the correct cells. You have to enter all this information in the correct cells, and it'll calculate all this for you. That's what we do on this channel. We love setting up spreadsheets to run numbers for people. Normally, we do it showing you what you'd have after so many years in the accumulation stage and the withdrawal stage and so on. But this one, I just want to really key up on mortgages because I don't think people realize how this $400,000 for a 30-year loan ends up costing you almost $1,000,000, and well over half of that is interest alone, and yet you can cut that interest down considerably just by paying a little bit extra a month or making extra payments. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to our channel, $1,000,000 Made Easy. We love to make spreadsheets to run people's numbers in all kinds of different situations. For example, here's one showing you when to take Social Security, how much you might be able to save by or accumulate by waiting a few years, how much more you're going to get if you wait till age 65, 67, and 70. But we got dozens of different spreadsheets that we like to use. Again, this one we just keyed upon mortgages. If you like this kind of content, again, please subscribe. Please tell your friends about this channel. We run all kinds of different numbers for people. Normally, what we do right here is we just run numbers like this and show people answer questions like this. How long can you wait to take Social Security? I'm just kind of showing you an overview of what we can do for you on this channel. Just ask and you shall receive. But again, in this case, just go ahead and feel free to make this spreadsheet yourself. And you can play with these numbers all day long. Please like the video and thanks so much for watching.